Okay, it is Valentine's Day. It's February the 14th, 2021, Sunday. It's after 6 p.m. The market, the aftermarket futures market has opened and headed higher again. I am riding the wave this time. I'm only trading micro emini futures. I've got one Dow micro emini contract long, and that's the 15-minute chart. And here's the 1 minute chart. I have one micro emini this is one micro emini what is this? Russell 2000. Yeah, this is the Russell 2000 chart. So this is the Russell 2000 1 minute chart, and it's started out on the rise, but it looks like it's starting to pull back a little bit now. So I'm one long there, one long Dow, and this is my S&P 500, one micro E-mini S&P 500. This is the 15-minute chart. This has been going up. I've been long this for a little while. And then I've got two contracts in the NASDAQ, micro E-mini contract. And that's the 1 minute chart. And that's going higher as well. A little pullback now, but it opened up higher. And I've had been holding this for a little while. So looking at my my account, I have I'm up $1,126 since Friday. That may not be accurate, but that's where I am. 44,195. And I only have 340 in margin from my current positions. So anyway, the market just keeps going higher. Now I'm thinking we're going to get a major pullback at some point. I think most people, many people feel that way. There's no telling when it's going to happen, what's going to trigger it. Just who knows. But in my opinion, this market is quite valued. It's somewhat in a bubble. I'd say quite a bubble. I've never seen the market just trend higher like this, just day after day after day. And you hardly get the opportunity to get in because every day it goes a little bit higher. And then you're thinking, wow, if I get in now, I could lose quite a bit on a pullback. And so it makes it harder and harder to get in. If you're in and you're just holding long and just letting everything ride, you're doing great. And I do have some investments that I just hold, and they are doing well. But I've got a lot of cash. I'm sitting on a lot of cash, so a lot of missed opportunities. And, what I do know is that right now, since I am sitting on a lot of cash, the money that I do have working for me, there's no reason to put it in short positions or to try to time the pullback. with short positions. I do put on short positions occasionally, but right now, with the market just relentlessly trending higher, I'm finding it a bit more profitable to just be on the long side, and I'd rather have, you know, small positions on the long side and money in cash ready for a pullback than to fight this market and try to time the pullback and sit on short positions, losing money every day, waiting for a pullback. That is really stressful. I don't know if any of you have tried that. Boy, when you get it right, it feels good. You make a lot of money quickly. But this has been a tough market for anyone who's out here shorting the market. And most traders, I'd say a lot of traders do play short positions. I mean, you watch for those momentum stocks, those pre-market stocks that are bid up high or gap open real high, and half of them come down. Half of them are you're better off shorting. But in this market, this has been one crazy market. Everything just keeps going up. Like there's plenty of money for everyone. It's some insane valuations out there. Unfortunately, I haven't been savvy enough to ride on any of these hot stocks that have just gone through the roof, like some of these short squeeze plays. I've just missed out on all that. And when I do get in plays like that, I tend to get in at the wrong time, and I end up taking a big hit. So it's best for me to just stay away from those insane moves in stocks. But I don't know, in this current environment, it's paying off to take a few risks here and there. And maybe I will take a risk with a small amount of money if something looks like it's going through the roof and I can get in early on it. But it's really probably better for me and better for anyone who's, early in their trading career to stick with what works for you and, work on your strategy to find consistency in your trading and not go after the home runs, as those tend to be very few and far between, those opportunities, and the average trader tends to get in at the wrong time. That's my opinion about that. Anyway, so we've had a nice little open, traded higher. This is the time frame. This is market opened around around 6 p.m. And market's looking strong right now. Now the market will be closed on Monday for regular trading, but the futures market, the equities will be open, but they will be halted at, I believe, 1 p.m. So it'll be a shortened session, but there'll be some opportunity to trade. Basically, for most traders, the week will start on Tuesday. So I'm going to let my long positions, my long contracts ride. I don't think I'll be adding much tonight. If the market had pulled back, maybe I would have added something. But since everything's gone straight up, I'm just going to hang out, ride the wave, and probably not do a whole lot of trading tonight. Might not do any. Now, one thing I've been periodically dabbling in, I always keep my eye on gold. This is my gold futures chart, and oil. Oil has been trending higher. I guess you can tell that by how gas prices have been of recent. They've been trending up. Oil is almost at $60 a barrel. I was told that oil likes round numbers, so it kind of went from 55 to 60 in a pretty steady pattern. And now I expect that it'll hover around 60 for a while. So this might not be the best time to go long oil. But here we are. We're above 60. And I just keep my eye on it because occasionally it'll make a huge move one way or the other, and I may jump in for a quick scalp trade on it. Same with gold. Gold actually, gold is trading around 18. What is it trading? 18. So we're at 1822. It was trading under 1800 the other day, and I got in long. I was in at 17 in the 1700s, and I was pretty confident that I would make money off that trade, and I did. It eventually went back above 1800. I didn't have many contracts, but made some money off that. Okay, well, so that's where we are right now. I'm seeing a gain of $1,146. I'm happy with that. I'm going to let it ride. I'm at 44,712. Am I reading that correctly? Yeah, 44,212. Yeah, let's see. 44,217, 18, 2012, 2013. All right, so that's where I am. Hopefully that'll keep going higher for tonight. Just gonna let everything ride. If something significant changes over the night, I'll give an update. Thanks.